Hello, this is an AtlasHR onboarding tutorial that will walk through a quick way for admins or managers to review the forms that an employee has completed as part of the onboarding process. So your first step will be to click Go to Internal Page here on your company form review, which should be down here in your manager steps. It may be labeled something else, just form review or something similar, but click Go to Internal Page. And here you'll see a list of all forms on all employees. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put in a filter here to narrow this down to the new hire that you're working with. So that's what I've done. And I can see here a list of the forms that this new hire has completed or started. So it's important to take note of the status. So if it says employee completed, that means the employee has filled out, signed, and submitted this form. If it says new, like this form does here, it means the employee has not actually submitted this form yet and needs to do so. Some of these other statuses, so for instance on the I-9, it means it's been verified by the employer, so the employer step has been completed. On the withholding form side, this withholding form has been completed by the employee. This form here has been completed by the employee and processed by the employer. So just pay attention to what the statuses say, and if you're ever questioning what is on one of the forms, so if there are more fields that the employee filled out in addition to just signing the form, you can always look at the form by clicking the pencil over to the left. So I can click this pencil and see exactly what the employee filled out. So in this case, the employee just signed the form, so it's got the employee's name and date there. That's all there is to it. But if there are other fields, I could review those and see what the employee entered. These forms can also be viewed on the employee profile, but this is a quick way to just jump to the form section from the checklist and review those. And that concludes the form review tutorial. Thanks.